Welcome to our channel where we explore the advanced features of Excel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about pivotables. Pivotables are one of the most powerful tools in Excel that allow you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data in a few clicks. Let's take a look at this dataset. We have information on the sales of different products in different cities for a certain period. As you can see, this data is quite large and difficult to analyze. To create a pivotable, select any cell within the data range and click on the Pivotable button in the Insert tab. From here, select the range of data you want to analyze and choose where you want to place the pivotable. In the Create Pivotable dialog box, you can choose which columns you want to use as rows, columns, and values. You can also apply filters to your data to see only the information you need. Once you've created your pivotable, you can use the various options available to customize your view. You can change the summary function, apply different number formats, and sort and filter the data as per your needs. One of the best features of pivotables is the ability to drill down into your data. You can double-click on any cell to see the underlying data that makes up that cell. You can also group your data by various criteria. For example, you can group by state and city to summarize. And that's it. By using pivotables, you can quickly and easily summarize and analyze large amounts of data in Excel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more advanced Excel tutorials.